Hey, it's Mark again. One of the questions we get quite often in the shop is someone will come in and they step on the brake and they get this horrible screeching noise coming from their wheels and they get scared. What that's called is a warning tab or a warning indicator. Some people call them warning sensors. And it's a soft piece of metal, it's a brake pad that I have in my hand right here. And this is a warning sensor. And what it is, it's a softer piece of metal that won't hurt the rotor that spins in front of the brake pad. And when the pad gets really low, we'll touch this sensor. And once this sensor starts rubbing on metal, it makes a horrific noise. It's actually not hurting anything, but it's telling you to come in and get your brakes done. What we do here at First Class Halt is we measure every single service, including oil changes. We will take a micrometer and measure the pad thickness to this scraper. And when it gets to 2 millimeters, we'll recommend brake pads to you so you don't go through all that. And different cars have different type indicators. This particular one's off a Honda Accord. Some of the Lexuses and Acuras have a little different setup. But main thing is you don't want it to go right through to the metal part of the pad, because then you have to replace rotors and this gets really expensive and unnecessary if you just basically change your oil, keep up with your inspections, and we'll let you know when this is due. But worst case scenario, when you get to the warning tab and you hear that noise, bring it to me so I can take care of you. For superior service and exceptional maintenance, please visit us at firstclasshalt.com.